My name is Natalia Caballero, and this is the very first edition of the Debriefing. Just 2 years ago, this production program didn't even exist, so we are incredibly proud to finally bring our work to you. In this edition, we're going beyond the surface to explore stories that truly matter, from a sneak peek into the American Red Cross, the true meaning of sportsmanship, and the importance of self-identity. The Debriefing starts now. We start today with an in-depth look into a well-known humanitarian organization. Emmorie Quinones, our CRTV reporter, has more details.
What do you think when you hear the name the American Red Cross? Is it just blood banks and food drives? Today we have an exclusive behind the scenes at this humanitarian organization, and their true mission may actually surprise you.
Hi, welcome to American Red Cross.
Among the humanitarian organizations, the American Red Cross is one of the most recognized. But do we truly know who they are?
My name is Katia Faust. I'm the Community Disaster Program Manager. So I oversee Greater Miami to the Keys, any of our disaster cycle services program. We are everywhere and we help anyone, regardless of nationality. So I'm a family nurse practitioner, and to me, Clara Barton totally exemplified the what nursing was all about. One of the things that a disaster program manager is asked to do is to get involved in our communities. So my main job is to not just respond and try to catch up to someone's recovery, but to try to prevent these disasters from happening. And one thing that the Red Cross does that I didn't know until I joined, really, I didn't have a really good idea, but we respond to home fires, not just big disasters, natural disasters, but we respond to all home fires. 365 days a year. Anytime we're called or if we see something, one of our community partners notifies us, we will we'll dispatch what we call a disaster action team to go and see if we can offer some assistance to clients.
The Red Cross is a community network of neighbors providing immediate necessary aid and support right where it is needed.
My name is Pete Suarez. I'm a volunteer with the American Cross, and I do a lot of things here. One of the things that I do is public affairs, which comes under the Department of Communications. In a way, I'm a chaplain. I'm a spiritual care provider, but I'm also a disaster action team lead, meaning that I help out other people within the teams to coordinate our efforts. I'm also qualified to work in shelters. We try and train in different jobs, so that we're able to step up as the need arises.
What an incredible mission. But how can we help?
Hello, my name is Sofia Montero, and I'm the president of the Red Cross chapter here at Coral Reef. This club is important at our school in the community because previously there was no disaster awareness or preparedness club, so students often had a gap of knowledge in that area, and I wanted to help close that gap in our community and help those around us with disasters like hurricanes, tornadoes, and anything that can be common here in Florida.
Hi, I'm Layla Nixon, and I'm the Secretary of Red Cross. Once a year in Red Cross, we have a toy drive to help those children in need, and the age ranges vary from 17 all the way to newborns, and just to help out families in need that don't have toys, don't have clothes, and just help those that are less fortunate.
Most recently, we did a food drive for those affected by Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica. We had over 200 cans donated and a bunch of other extra supplies, and we were able to get those shipped out there and see our impact made not just here in Florida, but outside of the country as well.
Present in every crisis, even when you least expect. These silent heroes don't wait for recognition, they just show up.
When we started working on the Safety is No Joke video, we interviewed a handful of students, asking them about how fall stress made them feel.
It's not funny and it's not okay.
We experimented with different styles and ideas.
Speak up if you hear something, and remember, safety isn't a joke.
Let's work together to keep our school environment safe.
It's not a joke.
Safety starts with you.
But as we did more research looking at past articles and statistics, what stood out to us is that a lot of these kids don't have previous records. They're good kids. I mean, that clicked for me because I know someone like that, and they were just joking around, things got out of control, and someone almost even got hurt. It's not just that you'll get into serious trouble, it's that you could inadvertently ruin someone else's life. I mean, how could you live with that?
Welcome back. Do you know who you are? Wait, do I know who I am? Why don't we let Analia Mesa and Emmorie Quinones explain it further?
They always tell us to be yourself, but is society really allowing you to do that?
I don't think society is ready for the real me.
Let's see what other students have to say about this.
We tell people to be themselves, but no one ever explains how. So we ask students a question. Who are you when no one's watching?
Being myself means just being confident in who I am and my personality.
Being unique and being true to myself.
I think of it as a way of just expressing yourself and accepting that not everybody's the same.
Not caring about what others think about me and, just being genuine to everyone I meet.
Respecting my feelings, and even though other people may say things like, you know yourself at the end of the day.
Not caring what other people are doing and just focusing on my life and just focusing on how I can get better and what I can do for myself.
We thought students might struggle with the idea of being themselves, but in reality, they didn't. What surprised us the most was that 78% of students said that they felt most themselves when surrounded by friends, not alone. This means that maybe identity is found not through isolation, but by being seen, supported, and feeling safe.
Talking to people made us realize something. It's not that we don't know who we are, it's that we are waiting for the right places and the right people to let that version of us show up.
So maybe being yourself isn't a solo mission. Maybe it's creating a space where everyone feels free to be that version of themselves.
Every person has a powerful story, a battle won, a dream pursued, a quiet act of courage. Every story matters. Every story is worth hearing because the greatest truths often go unnoticed.
And now, Analia Mesa presents a deeper side to high school sports.
Let's begin with a deep dive into school team rivalries and shed a revealing light on one of the most important components of any sport.
Hello, my name is Farah N.
And I'm Jasmin M Bordao, reporting live from Miami Killian High School.
And tonight we are opening up with a story that goes beyond rivalries and competitions. In high school sports, it's easy to focus in on your own team, your own colors, and your own victories.
I mean, basketball has been my world for 13 years now, so it's really just shaped who I am as a person and just met a lot of people, made a lot of friends, made a lot of memories.
Other schools' teams face challenges, build culture, and grow in ways that reflect our own journeys. When we pay attention to each other, we understand that athletes everywhere fight similar battles and chase similar dreams.
I started playing basketball when I was little. When I first came here to the United States, my brother introduced me to basketball.
It shaped me as a person because it taught me without a team, you will not be able to win the game. It's not individual work. You got to work as a team in order to win a game and have a winning season.
Some students joined the program searching for direction. Others stepped onto the court carrying personal struggles, heavy workloads, family responsibilities, or the pressure to succeed.
I have a lot of guys that I can trust to tell anything, even if, we're not with each other a lot. I can call them at any time, and I know there's going to be some guys that will answer.
For many of these players, basketball is more than a sport. It is a space where discipline is earned, purpose is found, and confidence is shaped.
Being a part of a community like this, it helped me grow on and off the court by just making me a better person.
A family, teammates who uplift them, coaches who guide them, and a community that sees their potential even before they see it in themselves.
Looking at other teams helped me improve my coaching by listening to other coaches to get my strategy against my opponents, where we play and we learn at the same time.
What fans see under the game day lights only scratches the surface. What they don't see are the early mornings, the intense conditioning, the tough losses, the injuries, and the determination to rise stronger every time. Tonight, we're celebrating not just the team that they are, but the individuals that they're becoming.
Reporting from the CRTV network, I'm Farah Hamid.
And I'm Jasmin Bordao.
Every person carries an essential hidden history. Even behind closed doors, we all face separate battles. And sometimes in those unobserved moments is when we show our true strength. I'm Natalia Caballero, and you have been debriefed.